Hi, I'm George Clarke, and I'm in this fabulous conservatory to discover how to tackle the age-old problem of glass rooms, temperature control. Now, the biggest problem with conservatories is that in the winter they can get incredibly cold, and in the summer they can get very hot. You really have to deal with the roof first. Now, these pleated blinds have been made especially to fit each panel of glass in the roof. Now, they have a very special coating on the surface of the blind that actually prevents too much heat gain coming into the room and it overheating in the summer. But it also prevents heat loss and stops the room from being a fridge in the winter. Now, I absolutely love motorised blinds, and in this case they're essential because the blinds are so high. Now, this is a great idea for the side windows of a conservatory. It's a day and a night blind which combines two fabrics within one. At the top, you've got the lighter day blind, which allows some really beautiful, soft glowing light throughout the day. And then, when you simply slide the central bar up, the night blind completely dominates. And because it's darker, it gives you a more intimate feel in the conservatory. And the really clever honeycomb design actually traps heat, providing a little bit of insulation and a warmer feel at night. Now, these blinds clip into this door without the need for any drilling whatsoever, so they become an integral part of the door itself, whether you're going in or out. And of course, when you want a clear, uninterrupted view of your garden, all of the blinds discreetly fold out of the way.